start to talk a little bit more about the work of defined careers in our programs. And I'm going to come at it from a kind of a unique approach, but I'm going to talk um, about three different scenarios that we have going on where defined careers is being used in the district, and how we're using authentic experiences to allow students to solve real world problems and be solution finders. So I'm going to talk a little bit about Tracy Fischetti. Those are the images that you see on the slide here. Tracy Fischetti is one of our early adopters. She's a STEAM innovator. She is an English teacher, but she's also one of our CTE teachers in workforce education, and we're really proud of Tracy in her role as the Teacher Academy instructor. So Tracy is, she's an amazing educator. She embraced our defined learning program a long time ago and has started to utilize defined careers as well with her students. But she is able to not only use defined careers for herself in the classroom as a teacher, but she's teaching our students how to use defined careers and defined learning and take those tasks down into the schools that her students serve as teacher mentors. So Tracy's students are in the Teacher Academy because they want to be educators, and we want to foster what it's like to be a great teacher. And we have one of our greatest doing that, and we are able to use the Defined Careers platform in that process. So we're seeing the fruits of that Teacher Academy work in our district, because we're now beginning to hire those students who they go through our teacher academies. We now have grown our Teacher Academy program to be at 4 of our high schools, and we have over 100 students are enrolled in our Teacher Academy, demonstrating a desire to be a future educator. And we allow those students to actually work in our elementary and our K-8 schools with students. So this is just a great example of how we're not only using defined careers for tasks and lessons within our classrooms, but we're taking it even further with students to add it into their toolkit as a future educator.